This isn't just a cup, it's your pocket-sized hydration buddy. Lightweight, foldable, and so cute. Hi guys. Today, I am going to show you some smart life hack cool gadgets. You would love them. So let's begin. Your keyboard is dirtier than you think, and it's slowing you down. This all-in-one cleaning brush gets deep into every corner, removing crumbs, dust, and grime in seconds. Lightweight, portable, grab yours today. Still struggling to find the perfect angle for your phone or tablet? This 360-degree rotatable stand adjusts to any angle, perfect for video calls, streaming, or working hands-free. Strong grip, sleek design, and stable base. Your device isn't going anywhere. Worried about kids opening doors and getting into danger? This door handle safety lock keeps little hands out. No tools, no damage. Easy for adults, impossible for toddlers. Strong, durable, and fits most handles. Protect your home and loved ones. Safety starts here.